So, good morning everyone. My name is Adrian Ponsalcet Agnes, and today we're going to present the learning task 6 of distributed database management. And to start, we're going to create a new user in pgadmin 4. To create new user, click login or group rules and type the name of the new server, new user. Type Adrian underscore user. And next is the definition and the password is my last name. And to activate the can login and also create rules, and the to maximize the privileges, activate also the super user and save it. As you can see, I created a new user, and we're going to create a new server. So register server. Uh, the name of the server is Adrian underscore server, and the connections is localhost. The port is retain, and maintenance database is retain. The username is Adrian user, and the password is my last name, and save it. So I created the new server. So next is we're going to the databases and create database. So as you can see, Adrian user is the new owner. So that's all. Thank you.